Hi boys and girls, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get to Wonders and GoMath here in Teams. I'm going to begin here on my Teams page, and of course my Teams page might look a little bit different from yours, but that's okay. What's important is that my picture is here and my name, Cha, PO1 Attendance. That's how I know this is my Teams page. Also, I am in Posts, and I know that because it says Posts up here and the letters are in dark purple. Now, as you can see, there are two backpack icons here. That means that there are assignments there. I am going to put the Wonders and Go Math link in an assignment card. I think that will probably work for you the best. So here it says Wonders and Go Math link, and it's due May 1st. Click on View Assignment. This is going to take you to the page with the assignment. Now yours is not going to look like this. Yours will look like this. So this is what we want to see. Here is the title, Wonders and Go Math link, just like on the assignment card. It is due on May 1st, 2020. Your instructions are click on this link to go to Go Math, log in, and get to your assignments. Now I'm going to click on this gray box here. This is a link I need to go to. We are going to use this link to get into Wonders, and then we are also going to use this link to get into Go Math. So let me click on it now, and we are going to go to Wonders first. What you will see here is the browser, the new browser for continuity of learning or exercise your brain. That is a page you have been to, and here we are again. Scroll down, find the Wonders icon, click on that. Now we have to log in. Every time you go to Wonders, you have to log in. Every time you go to Go Math, you have to log in. And sign in. And we're going to know that we are in Wonders because what should pop up is the Wonders screen. If you don't get the Wonders screen with the My Binder and the squirrel, then you're in the wrong app and you're going to have to close that out and try it again. So here I am. This is the correct app. This is Wonders. Scroll down, tap on Launch, and that's going to take you to the squirrel. There it is. Here's the squirrel. Here's my assignments, and my binder is also where I can find my assignments too. This is as far as I'm going to take you. I can make another video where I show you where to go after this, but right now this is as far as I'm going to take you. So I'm going to log out. Always make sure that you log out, boys and girls. And now I'm going to click on the X to close that out. Okay, so here I am back in Teams again. Now, when you get to Teams, we're going to go back in. This is the same assignment card we went to before, Wonders and Go Math link. We're going to click on View Assignment just like we did before, except this time we want to go into Go Math. So let me click View Assignment. Here we go. Same thing as before. Click on the gray box here. It's going to take me back to continuity of learning, or also called the Exercise Your Brain page. Scroll down, and we are going to click on Think Central because this is where we go when we want to get to Go Math. Click on Think Central. And again, we log in just like before. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Oh, good. There, I got to check my spelling. Make sure you check your spelling. There we go. Now, this is the Think Central page, and this is how I know that I've gone into Go Math. This is as far as I'm going to take you, and I can make another video where I show you where to go after this, but this is as far as I'm going to take you for now. I'm going to log out again, always log out, and X, and here I am back at Teams. Here I am in Teams again. So I'm going to go back to Posts. And that is how you get to Wonders and Go Math from here in Teams.